What's up guys, welcome back. You're watching for today. Our channel always tries to provide regular play integrity fix support for all Android devices, whether they are running with the stock firmware, rooted firmware or custom ROMs. We upload different kinds of updated videos tutorial to help you pass all integrity checks. You will find some of our previous videos linked in the video description. However, from the past few months we have been following much simpler method using the strong integrity fix module, because I believe it's more reliable than the complicated process of loading keybox XML files and multiple other modules. But many users have been complaining that after a few days play integrity starts failing again with all red marks. Some users also report that they only get basic or device integrity but not strong integrity. So in today's video I will explain how you can get the regular support through our channel to pass all play integrity consistently. And I will also answer questions that most users have been asking in the comment sections of our previous videos. Now without further delay, let's get started. First, I will show you how to pass all integrity checks. Later at the end of this video, I will explain how we are going to provide regular support through our channel. So make sure to watch this video till the end. This is my OnePlus 12R rooted with the Magisk and it's currently failing the play integrity checks. I haven't tested this method on the devices rooted with the KernelSU, but you can still follow the same steps. First, download all the files linked in the video description and place them in a single folder on your device. Now first flash the tricky store module. Once its flashing gets done, flash the ReZygisk module. And finally flash the latest strong integrity fix 1.8 July module. While flashing the module, it may redirect you to the another channel. Simply swipe back and once you see that the flashing is completed, tap on the reboot. After your device restart, open the Magisk application and make sure all the three modules are installed and visible in the module section. Next, install the KernelSU Web UI APK that we downloaded from the GitHub link provided in the video description. Install it as a normal APK file. Now go back to the Magisk module section and tap on the action button for strong integrity fix module. Some commands will run automatically. Once you see the done, simply close the window. You don't have to do anything with the tricky store module. Don't tap its action button or change any setting. Many users keep asking in the comment section whether they need to select or deselect any options in the KernelSU Web UI application. My recommendation is simple. Don't open the KernelSU Web UI application and don't change any setting. Skip all the extra steps that we shown in our previous videos. Now open the Play Integrity Checker application and verify the results. You will see all the Play Integrity checks will pass successfully. Your Google Play Protect certification will also show as certified when you check it under the Play Store setting. Now let's talk about why Play Integrity fails again after a few days, and how we will provide you regular support for the method shown in this video. We are currently using the latest strong integrity fix module version 1.8. Google regularly revokes the keybox XML files through its online servers to prevent rooted devices and custom ROM users from bypassing the play integrity. Because of this, module also receives the regular updates. In our previous videos, we provided the version 1.6, 1.7 and today we are providing 1.8. To receive the regular support and solve this issue whenever it happens, you should join our Telegram channel. Its link is available in the video description. There I will regularly upload the latest versions of strong integrity fix module. Whenever the play integrity fails on your device, simply download the latest module version and flash it through the Magisk application and repeat the action button process shown earlier. That's it, your play integrity check should pass again. If you join our Telegram channel, you will always stay in the touch with us. We also have the regular discussions there, and if someone isn't able to pass play integrity checks, we will try to help them. That's all for today guys. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share and hype this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you will never miss out our upcoming content. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.